Welcome to this video. So today we're taking a look at the new product called Stealth. So we'll do a full review on Stealth. I'll also show you inside the members area. We'll briefly go over the sales page, and then what we'll do at the end is we'll go over some exclusive bonuses that I've put together for you. And all of these bonuses, they will help you with this product. They will also enhance the products. And basically what I did this morning was I spent about 2 hours going ahead and having a look at what will actually enhance and help you to make more money with this product, and that is exactly what those bonuses will do for you. So what is Stealth? Well, it's a new course. It's being launched by Brendan Mace and John Armstrong. Now this method, it's brand new, and it says it's never been taught before, and I've never seen this being taught on any other platform or absolutely any other courses whatsoever. So it's very new. Now what this will do is it will show you, once you've gone ahead and you've got a product or a service that you want to promote, it will show you how you can get that in people's email inboxes. And for this, you don't even have to have your own email list, and this is one of the benefits of this course, and it walks you through the entire process of how you can do this, the steps to do this, and it really is an absolutely awesome new method. So who would benefit from this product? Well, this is perfect for affiliate marketers, digital marketers, and reviewers, because like I say, once you've picked out your product that you want to promote, this will show you how you can get it into thousands of inboxes. It's also perfect for anyone who's looking to make money online, because you do not need any experience to get started with this. It's available worldwide, and there's many more benefits to that. So let's go over some of the benefits of this. So it's a solid product. There's no messing about with this. You do not need any technical stuff. You do not need an email list. You don't need a reputation or a big budget with this. Now, if this is the first time you're on my channel, I would never go ahead and recommend a product that I have not purchased myself or that I have not had access to and actually been through and trialed it and tested it. So with this product, I have no concerns recommending this to you, and it's a proven method that can make money very quickly, and also you can do this very cheaply, so it makes it extremely hard to fail to earn extra money online with this method. So the overall benefits of this are it's available worldwide. You can make money online in a few hours from now. You do not need a website or an autoresponder. You do not need to make squeeze pages or follow-up emails, or you don't even need to mess about with complicated search engine optimization. It's pretty much got absolutely everything that you need to make money online all in one product. And then if you take that and add my bonuses that I've put together, it will just go ahead and speed up the entire process for you. Now, as always, any product that I go ahead and recommend or promote, they always do come with a money-back guarantee, and Stealth is no different. It comes with a full 30 days money-back guarantee, so you can go ahead, purchase this course, go through the training, and if for whatever reason you didn't like it, then you can go ahead and get your money back. So it's pretty cool. So let's go ahead now, and I will show you inside the members area and exactly what to expect with this course. Okay, so we're now over on the sales page, and we'll just go through and highlight some of the points on here. So the first one is you can turn emails into passive income without a list, without an autoresponder, and without any monthly fees, and that is absolutely 100% true. But scroll down the page here. It's a sales page. Let's be honest, you're going to be expected to see big numbers like this. But scroll down here, never seen before. So this is what you do not need. You do not need an email list. You don't need an autoresponder, and you don't need any expensive softwares with this. Let's just go ahead down here. So it goes over, about the email list, the money's in the list, you don't need an email list, etc., etc. So this here is Stealth, and you can see we can guarantee you haven't seen this method before. Forget about autoresponders, etc., etc. So I'm not going to spend all time on the sales page. I'll drop a link to this below for you. You can go ahead and check this out. Okay, so let me go over into the actual members area now. So come up here. This is actually inside of the members area. Now, as you can see here, this is very nicely laid out. It's really simple to follow along with. You've got literally these videos on the left hand side here. You click on the drop down box and you simply click on play. Now, as you can see here, this whole training is Jono is the person who's presenting the training. He shows you screenshots of his account, and as you can see here, this is just some of his earnings on one platform. So this is over on the Warrior Plus platform. He goes on to many more. He goes on to JV Zoom, but you can see here on the right hand side, this was his earnings as of the day when he was recording this. The day before, he had earned coming up to nearly $8,000 in affiliate commission. So everything that he's sharing within this course, you know that he's doing this within his business, and as you can see, these are his earnings for affiliate commissions for, so basically products that he has promoted. You've then got additional tabs on here, so additional videos on here, but the names on here, so how to fly your stealth bomber, you know, how, finding a target to exterminate, they're all related back to the name of the course, Stealthed. So this is inside the members area, so really simple, really easy to follow along with. So literally go through all of the training videos, you get a debrief at the end of this of what you need to do, what you don't need to do, but it is very simple to follow along with, and that is why I really like this product, and that is why I am recommending this product to you. So let me go ahead now and I'll share with you the custom bonuses that I have put together if you go ahead and purchase Stealthed today. So this is over here. Let me just click on here and we'll scroll down. So as you can see, to make this better, these are the bonuses that I've done for you. So in terms of Stealth, what it's focused on, it's focusing on going ahead and setting up Google Adwords campaigns, and it walks you through a really simple process of how you can basically pay pennies to go ahead and get people to click on your advertisements already with inside their emails. It's very powerful stuff and it's very simple stuff. So it's all geared around Google AdWords. And if I go back over here to my bonuses now, so the course, it will walk you through how to set up your Google AdWords, how to do your targeting, how to get money off, and lots more is included in there. So my bonuses here that I've put together for you is, the first one is how you can set up retargeting, because they don't really cover retargeting too much in the course. So this bonus here that I've gone ahead and put together for you, this will show you how to retarget people, and you can get cheaper clicks via retargeting. And with retargeting, the other method that I like about retargeting is you're going to be putting your ad back in front of people who have already seen it before. And we all know that people sometimes need two, 3, 4 times of actually seeing something before they go ahead and make a purchase. So this here, this retargeting tutorial, it will show you exactly how to do this, and it doesn't take very long to set this up. It takes about 5 minutes to set this up. So this bonus here will walk you through how to basically go through retargeting. Bonus number 2 that I've put together for you, it's this here. It's called Agency Suite Pro. Now this is a full software. This is still on the market today. If you were to go ahead and purchase this here, it will actually cost you $97. And let me just go and prove that to you. So if I go on here and I'll type in Agency, I don't know why it's all in capitals, Agency Suite Pro. Just let me go ahead and show you this. You can see exactly. So if you wanted to go ahead and purchase this software today, this is how much it would cost you. So go over to the website here, and I'm literally going to scroll down to the bottom here, and you can see here if you were to purchase this today, it would cost you $97. So I'm going to go ahead and give you this for free as a bonus today. So what is it basically? So within this course, it walks you through the method of basically getting your products and services into people's email inboxes. For a bit later on in the course, it goes on to say if you want to enhance your sales and actually make more money, instead of sending people direct to an offer or the sales page, what you would do is you would simply build like a bridge page, and it walks you through that. Now this here, this software that I'm giving you away as a bonus, it will go ahead and basically allow you to put scarcity on the page. Now let me go ahead and show you this. So this is basically the software that you will get access to with this bonus. Now on here you've got a couple of things. You've got an urgency bar, and you've also got a countdown timer, and these work really well on any sales pages, and you're going to see these on every single sales page, because it's to go ahead and get people to, you know, make a commitment to go ahead and purchase the product there and then. So you'll get access to this, and they're really cool. You can simply play around with these. So how many bonuses are available? We'll scroll down here. Let's just say there was 40. Like you see, 40 spots available so far. Let's go and click on 34 have gone. So you can see here, this is what would appear over on your blog or your website or wherever. You can play around with this until your heart's content. You can change the color of this. You can play around with the total number of spots. You can even play around with the text here. So you could put on here 40 available. So you can play around with this as much as you want, and then simply all you do on here is, once you've got all this, you simply take the code here and you put this onto your blog or websites. But it's very powerful stuff, and when you're doing affiliate marketing or any form of digital marketing, you always want to be including some form of scarcity, whether it is via one of these or even a countdown timer. And again, this countdown timer here, you can play around with this. You simply click on any of these and you can play around with it. So you'll go ahead and get this whole software for free today. That's bonus number 2. If I scroll down the page here, bonus number 3 is about Bing ads. So Stealthed, it focuses mainly on Google Ads. So as a bonus, what I've done for you is once you've gone through the training in Stealth and you understand Google Ads and how to implement them, and then you've used my bonuses for the retargeting and you've got your scarcity timer, well, the next bonus I've put together for you is a full Bing Ads course, and this will show you how to set up Bing Ads. Now, Bing Ads are very similar to Google, but there's a few different elements that you need to understand because obviously it's a different platform. So this bonus here will walk you through how to set up Bing Ads. Bonus number 4 is actually how you can get 90% off your Bing ads and also your Google Adwords. So in this bonus, it shows you exactly where you can go ahead and purchase coupons for literally, you can get $100 BingWords at a $100 BingWord credit, and you can get that for $10. And this walks you through exactly how to get that, where to go, how to add that $100 onto your account. It's very good stuff. Scroll down here. Bonus number 5 is a Bing Mastery training. So up here you've got the first part of the training, which will walk you through setting up your Bing ads. We've then got this bonus here, which will show you how to get 90% off your Bing ads. Well, the next step with this is taking Bing ads to the next level, and this bonus here is a full mastery training, and it will walk you through absolutely everything. This is what in this bonus here, you'll discover some really top secrets what many affiliate marketers are using when it comes to running ads over on Bing. The next bonus I've got for you is this one here. It's called Commission Blueprint, and this is basically how Glenn's the product creator, how he went ahead and generated over $500,000 in commissions in a year, and he started from zero. So this is a full complete course. It's absolutely beginner friendly, newbie friendly, so I've included that in there for you. And then the final bonus that I've got for you here is all of the vendor bonuses. This has a value of $2,312 apparently. So I've included a couple of the screenshots here of their different bonuses that they're including. If I go back over to the sales page, and scroll down here, obviously we've got the money back guarantee. Come further down, you can see here it also comes with an additional $2,312 worth of bonuses, but this is for the launch week only. So this is bonus number 1 that you'll get included. So you will get 2,500 pre-written email swipes. You'll then get the 10K email manifesto, and then you've also got an exclusive YouTube ads training. So basically, you will get all of that for the very. It's not this price, by the way. The price of the actual product is. So let's go and show you the actual price of this and what else is included. So if you go ahead and purchase Stealth today, it will cost you $12.95. So you will get the course and all of my bonuses and the additional bonuses for $12.95. Now, as always, with any product that you're purchasing and any course, it does come with upgrades. So the upgrades are here on the screen for you. I'll briefly run through these. So the upgrade number 1 is limitless traffic for 365 days. So what this will let you do is it will go ahead and let you put your tracking pixels on Jono's and Brendan's sales pages. And then basically what you can do with that is once you put your tracking pixels on their sales pages, you can go ahead and use all of that data to go ahead and run ads to anybody who has visited their sales pages. And they'll literally get hundreds of thousands of people on their sales pages. It's insane. OTO number 2 is Advanced Stealth Strategies. So this will basically go ahead and it will show you additional methods that you can use with what you've learned in Stealth. It costs $37. OTO number 3 is $197, and this is a 1,000 commission solution. So it's basically, as you can see on the screen, a complete done for you solution for customers to use our video ads, targeting, etc, etc. You can go ahead and have a look at that. Now, out of all of these OTOs, OTO number 4 is the one that I really like and the one that I'm personally going to be picking up, and it's the done for you option, and this will cost you $67. This gives you access to 10 high converting funnels. These are all ready to go. So literally you go through the training on Stealth, you can then go ahead and take these 10 high converting funnels and basically run ads to these funnels, and it's all done for you. And anything that's done for you and speeds up the entire process, that is what I'm interested in. So OTO number 4 out of all these is my preferred option. Finally, you've got OTO 5, which is license rights. So it basically means you can go ahead, pay $97 for this product, and then you can go ahead and market this, drop your links wherever you want, and then anybody who would go through and purchase any of the OTOs or the front end products, you will earn 100% commissions. It's really cool stuff. So those are the OTOs. Personally, preferred option is OTO number 4 because it's done for you. So that is all of the OTOs. If we go back over here very quickly, just want to let you know about this here. So these bonuses here, these 3 bonuses here, these are only for the launch week. So if you're watching this video after launch week, then unfortunately you won't go ahead and get these 3 additional bonuses here, but you will still go ahead and get access to all of these 6 bonuses that I've put together for you, including the Agency Suite Pro, which is the full software which we showed you earlier on in the video. So that's enough for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you want to go ahead and check out Stealth, there is a link down below the video. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.